So 31K is the monthly revenue of this YouTube channel. And you can also see the estimated yearly earnings of this YouTube channel, which is 374K, which is insane, right? Hello and welcome to Finance Diary. It's Syed here. Now let's get straight to the screen. This YouTube channel called Daily Facts Worth. Now let's have a look. So these are the shorts. Now let's play this one. Now let's look at some of the popular YouTube shorts of this channel. So you can see that these shorts are generating over millions of views. So let's see how much this channel generates. For this, we will go to a site called Social Blade. So 31K is the monthly revenue of this YouTube channel. And you can also see the estimated yearly earnings of this YouTube channel, which is 374K, which is insane, right? So in this video, we will learn how to create such shorts and upload it on your YouTube channel and earn the same revenue like this YouTube channel is earning. So for this, we will need two softwares or sites or apps. The first one is ChatGPT and the second one is Canva.com. So we'll start with ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, sign up for ChatGPT, and once you open up ChatGPT, you are going to copy the script and paste it to ChatGPT. So let's paste it into ChatGPT and press enter. Now you are going to see that ChatGPT has started generating results. Oh, so it has committed a mistake and the part 1 and part 2 are also in the rows. So now we are going to give another prompt to ChatGPT to remove the part 1 and the part 2 from the rows. Yeah, so let's write don't choose the part names inside the table please. Now when we will press enter, ChatGPT is going to again generate the set of facts. And now as you can see, it is perfect. But still you will have to check the facts as if it is correct or not. Now the second step is that we are going to sign up to Canva.com. Yeah, so once you open Canva.com, just search YouTube Shorts and then click on the create blank. Now it is going to open a blank template for you. Now here you are going to click on the videos tab. Now there are a majority of templates and you can select one of your choice. Yeah, so let's search for the sunset. Yeah, so it has given us many results, and as you can see that there are premium and free templates. So we are going to select the free template and then we are going to drag it and fit it to the screen. Yeah, so perfect. As you can see that this template is perfectly fitting the screen. Yeah, so as we are going to work on the YouTube shorts, so we are going to cut the length to about 6 seconds. Yeah, so now we are going to click on the text and add a heading to our template, and we will replace the heading with the topic and we will drag it on the upside of the template. And now we will click on the effects and click on the background, and we will give this heading a background, and we can also change the font. As you can see that there are a couple of fonts here. Now we are going to copy the heading and paste it downwards and replace it with part 1, and again copying the part 1 and we will replace it with the part 2. And now one cool thing is that you will have to drag the part 1 and the part 2 so that it can fit the screen, because once you will start pasting the quotes will be longer, so it should fit the screen perfectly. Yeah, so now we are going to separate the timings of the part 1 and the part 2. So for part 1, we will click on it and show timing, and then we will limit the part 1 to 3.5 seconds. And now similar is for the part 2, we'll click on it, show timing, and then we will limit it up to 2.5 seconds. So this way both of the parts will show at a separate time. It's perfect. So now let's have a look at the part 1 and the part 2. So as you can see, the part 1 and the part 2 are ready and both of them do not mix. So now inside Canva, click on the apps and search bulk create. Now it would ask you to enter data manually. So now we will go to ChatGPT to enter the data manually. As you can see on ChatGPT, you are getting the heading and then the part 1 and then the part 2. So the data is perfectly assembled. Now we are going to copy the whole data and enter it here. So now we are going to connect the data to our elements. So let's click topic and then connect data and then connect it to topic 1. As you can see now this is connected. Similar is for part 1, connect data, and the part 1 should be connected to the part 1. Similar is for part 2, we will connect the data to each of the elements. So now as you can see that all our topic, part 1 and part 2 are connected, we would drag part 1 and part 2 at a similar place so that it would show one after another. Then we are going to click continue, and then as you can see that the results are generated and each of the result is separate. Now to save these shorts, you're going to click on download and then check out this option, download pages as a separate file, and then download the data. Now what this will do, this will download each file as a separate video. So this way you can create unlimited shorts using Canva and ChatGPT, and then on a YouTube channel you can upload these shorts to earn thousands of dollars. So that's it for today's video, guys. Now remember 3 points. During this journey you will have to stay consistent, which means that you will have to upload 2 to 3 shorts daily. And the second point is you will have to be patient. And one more important point is that if you want to increase your revenue, you can also try to upload longer videos and see how it goes with your YouTube channel. And I hope there is a lot of gap for improvement, as this was my first video. So support this channel so that I can bring more similar content for you. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and take care.